Okay guys, the combo is completed. We have the 220-gallon freshwater aquarium. At the bottom we have bearded dragon terrarium enclosure. I just put them in there. So now this one's still sleeping. But there's two pots in there. They can go in there. As you see, one just ran in that one. And they could go around this filter. I was gonna have this filter out of it on the side, but then I didn't want my nieces and nephews fucking with it, so I left it in there. I think it's more efficient. It's not really taking up that much space. I mean, they got about 200 gallons to themselves. I gotta clean this glass off, it's foggy. But yeah. So the last thing I gotta do really is get some logs so they could climb up like this, be right under the light, you know. And this one, I got a shop light, LED shop light. It's only one strip on here. I bought two from Menards. One light, 48 inches long, was only $7. If you guys go to Petco and PetSmart, you're gonna pay almost $200. That's why I be trying to tell you. My channel, I try to help you save money. I am a hobbyist with many hobbies. I look for the best deals and come out with the same quality. Yeah, I had a pair of Jack Dempsey's in here moving the sand around, so they're gonna get ready to have some babies. I see a little crab in the back out. Down in the corner. But yeah, this island, this is an island. They got caves under it. So it's still more crabs and fishes under there hiding. I guess I should throw some food in there for him, huh? Let me put some food in here for y'all. Oh! What is that? Yep. And you guys, save money. Oh, look at. Try to have some babies with her. I put him in this new enclosure. The boy tried to take something. It's two boys and 2 females. That's the other male. This the rescue I picked up right here. That's the other female running. Damn. He tried to take it. Well, I guess gonna be having bearded dragon babies coming soon. That shit crazy. But that's enough of that. Yeah, y'all see what it is. Go ahead and hit that damn button.